Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. I am excited for this video because first of all, I am filming this video in my new home. If you haven't been keeping up with me on Instagram, then you don't know that I moved. So I'm very excited because this is the first video I'm filming in my new place. But also, I'm very excited because I am going to be reviewing some new products for you guys. Yay! So as you guys know, I love Curlsmith and I have reviewed quite a few of their products on my channel. I recently reviewed some products from their strength recipe collection. Love those products. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you click the link above after this one. So they made this strength recipe line for all hair types, but specifically hair that needs some TLC, hair that can use some extra loving that might have been damaged, or hair that's just really like highly porous, very dry, things like that. So if your hair is color damaged or heat damaged or anything like that, these products will be great for you. So again, if you haven't seen my last video on their strength recipes line, definitely go check that out. But today I'm going to be showing you their new drop. And let me tell you, Curlsmith has been on a roll. I have to give it to them. Their products that they have been dishing out are really good. I'm just so pleased with all of them. I really like the way that all of them have been working on my hair. I love the results of each and every one. So I'm happy to be partnering with them today to share all of that good stuff with you guys. The reason my hair is wet is because you know the drill. I always like to wash or style or both my hair live for you guys. So the products that we're going to be using today are newbies on the strength recipe line. So let's get started. I'm starting off with their Core Strength shampoo. This is a gentle shampoo for damaged hair. Again, this whole line is for all hair types, but obviously it's going to do best for damaged hair. So this shampoo is good for anti-buildup, strength, and anti-breakage, which is exactly what all hair types need. If you are unfamiliar with Curlsmith, you'll be happy to know that on their label, you will find that none of their products have sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, or DEA, which is awesome. Their products are cruelty-free and vegan. They just have really great natural ingredients in them, which I love. So the ingredients in this shampoo in particular, it has prickly pear cactus, pumpkin seed oil, guava juice, wild rice protein, pressed hemp oil, and shredded kale. So I'm gonna put some of this goodness into my hand. Their product smells so amazing. So with these products in particular, I can really smell the guava juice. It smells so fruity, so good. So this shampoo is really lightweight. It's really thin on my hands. It's not thick. It's a clear consistency. Looks like this. So I'm just going to get it in there. It does have a really gentle lather, so I'm going to just directly apply some of it to the back of my scalp. So as always, I only apply the shampoo directly to my scalp and massage my scalp gently with the pads of my fingers. I'm adding just a little bit more to get the bottom of my scalp. Don't forget that part, because I know oftentimes we can focus on like the top section of our scalp, but that bottom section can be a real problem. You know, sweat accumulates back there and just product buildup, and we want to definitely get that back section because sometimes it just gets really itchy. Make sure you massage that area too. This shampoo gently but effectively cleanses your scalp. It strengthens your hair. It's enriched with protein, but a lower level, so there's no risk of protein overload. It provides a nice foam, a nice lather. It's supercharged with a bond-building technology called FiberHance. It's a patented, innovative ingredient that helps to strengthen the internal hair structure up to 3 times. Okay, now that I got that all massaged into my scalp, I'm gonna go rinse it out and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. The hair is all clean, shampoo is rinsed out, and now I'm excited to move on to the next product because this one is a doozy. So this is their multitasking conditioner, and I'm excited about it because this product is a unique one. So this is their multitasking conditioner, but it's a 3-in-1 conditioner. What does that mean? Well, this is a leave-in conditioner, a rinse-out conditioner, and a deep conditioner all in one. It just depends on how you use it. So this is how they recommend using it in the 3 different ways. So if you would like to use it as a regular conditioner, they say you can leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes and then you rinse it out to instantly detangle your hair. It smooths your hair, revives your hair. And then as a deep conditioner, you just leave it on for a little longer, 15 to 30 minutes. This helps to deeply nourish and replenish your hair. And then lastly, as a leave-in, you just rake it through your freshly washed hair and you style as usual. So how cool is that you can use it in so many different ways? So the ingredients in this product are Silky castor oil, hemp oil extract, pressed pumpkin seeds, babasu kernel oil, wild rice protein, and black currant juice. So the ingredients are really going to work together to moisturize your hair as well as strengthen it. So I'm starting off with this much. It's a really creamy consistency, and I'm just going to rub it together in my hands. Again, I love this juicy smell. It smells so good. So I apply my conditioner to the mid to ends section of my hair, the mid lengths. So I'm just going to apply it in there. This conditioner is really lightweight, so I feel like it's buildable. It's not like a super heavy, thick butter or cream or anything. It's more like a light cream, so that's why you're able to use it in so many different ways. I'm kind of coating my hair with the conditioner. My hair just absorbed it right up. I'm gonna add some more and make sure I get like these inside sections, because sometimes I tend to focus on like the outside of my hair, so I gotta get in there, make sure it's all being applied. And then I start from the bottom and gently detangle my hair. You can use a detangling comb or brush. I usually use my fingers. I'm not against a comb or a brush, I just prefer my fingers, and my hair is detangling pretty easily. So this multitasking conditioner is also protein enriched. It hydrates your hair while making it look stronger and more elastic. It's lightweight in texture, but it's packed with moisturizing ingredients. So depending on how you use it, it can be rinsed out in so many different ways. So I really like the fact that both the shampoo and conditioner are made with protein, but a lower level of protein. So for people who are a little bit, like protein sensitive, it won't be overbearing on your hair. This softens the hair, detangles your hair, makes it more manageable, and just like that, my hair is so smooth and detangled and smells amazing. So I detangled my hair from the bottom all the way to the tippity top, and my hair feels great. Again, it is a lightweight conditioner, so my hair doesn't feel like heavy. Most of it was put on my ends, and that is like the driest part of my hair, so I feel like the hydration on my ends, which is really good. So I've had this conditioner in my hair for a few minutes now as I was detangling. As I told you, just a recap, you can use this conditioner in 3 different ways. You can use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a regular conditioner, or a deep conditioner. So now the question is, what am I gonna do next? Am I team in? Am I team out? Am I team in and out? So I've come to the conclusion that I am team in and out. So I one day might want to use it as a leave-in, and one day I might want to use it as a deep conditioner and have it on my hair for like 30 minutes and then rinse it out. Today though, I am team in, so I'm going to use this as a leave-in. So as you guys know, when I style my hair, I usually like to use a styling cream and then a gel to like seal it all in, and of course some extras along the way like mousse and spray and all that other stuff. But today I'm just using these products that I have here to show you. So this conditioner is the cream part, is like the leave-in for me. And I'm going to be using their gel to seal it all in. So this is their Shape Up Aqua Gel. I love gels. Like, gels are my favorite part of the styling process because I feel like for me, they just make my curls pop. So because of my hair type, because I have loose type 3A curls, I like lightweight everything, meaning I like lightweight creams, lightweight gels, lightweight oils. I just like any product that is lightweight that doesn't weigh my hair down. This is a Weightless Anti-Frizz Silky Definition Gel. So if you've seen their other gels before, usually they have like a little meter here that shows a rating between 1 and 10 of how strong the gel actually is. So if you remember in one of my previous videos, I mentioned their In Shower Styler. That gel is like a 10. It's very strong. This gel is a light hold. This is only a 5 out of 10. So that's good. So that's enough hold, but not too much hold. You know what I mean? It's really liquidy and super light. And I'm just going to rake it into my hair on top of the leave-in. This gel actually feels moisturizing too. So the ingredients in this gel are shiitake mushroom, juiced guava, hemp oil extract, black currant berry, wild rice protein, and shredded kale. Applying it all over my hair. And I find that with lightweight products, it is easier to build, to get it to, you know, the look that you desire. So I like that too. So the gel feels pretty watery, and I guess that's the point. It's called Aqua Gel, which is really good because it adds a lot of moisture to your hair. You know, certain gels dry up the hair. Some gels might be too strong for your hair. They might have too much of a strong hold, or they might have too much protein. And if you are sensitive to protein, it could cause, you know, your hair to become brittle, dry, hard. So we don't want any of that. So I like the fact that this has like a lighter amount of the protein in it. So now I'm gonna start scrunching my hair. We like to hear that squish sound. That means it's hydrated enough, has enough product in it. So here's how I'm going to customize my routine today. Because I did choose to leave in the conditioner, usually I apply my conditioner differently than my leave-in, if that makes any sense. So when I'm conditioning my hair, especially detangling it, I usually use a little bit more conditioner than I would a leave-in. So my hair might have a little bit more conditioner / leave-in than I would apply just as a separate leave-in. So a simple solution, I just add a little bit of water to my hair just to help like balance out the excess conditioner. Okay, did that, added a little bit more water. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of the gel just to make sure my hair is fully saturated, and we scrunch. Okay, so my hair is nice and scrunched. Now I'm going to let it set for a few minutes, and then I'm going to diffuse my hair until it's fully dry. You can air dry if you wish. Then I'm going to come back with my results and show you guys my hydrated curls. So stay tuned and I will be right back. I'm back. So my hair is fully dry now, and these are my results. My hair is really defined. It feels so soft and light. Really light, like really light. My hair has a light cast still. I tried to scrunch it out for the most part, but it's good that a gel leaves a light cast because that helps your curls to be more defined. All you have to do is scrunch it out gently. But yeah, I really like the way my curls look. My curls are very defined, very light, again, very lightweight. And obviously lightweight products allow for more volume, which is always good. So I'm just playing around with my hair right now that it's dry, trying to fluff it up a little bit more for you guys. But yeah, I really like it. I really like this line. I really do like this gel because lightweight products allow for more volume. So the lighter the product, the more your hair has the ability and the chance to kind of like breathe and, you know, do its thing without too much weighing it down. So I like the definition that it gives my hair. I just really like how all the products work together in combination, the lightweight shampoo and conditioner along with the gel. I definitely recommend you guys trying this miss out, especially if you feel like your hair is damaged in any way. These products can definitely help with the health of your hair, so highly recommend. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below your thoughts on these products and on my results. So if you've tried these products before, let me know. They are pretty new, so if you ran out to grab them, kudos to you. You must be on the ball with trying new products. Let me know what you think about the products on your hair down below as well. Just curious. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so you can be notified every time I post a video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.